What's the most precious substance on this earth that's pretty much believed by everyone to be the most precious? What's the most precious?
Gold.
All right. So if you have gold, you're rich. So if you take a little bit gold out, you open your hand because you're stingy, and you take a little bit gold out, and you offer on the Buddha, you lessen your stinginess immediately, and you collect the merit to achieve the achievements Buddha has achieved. That's why people offer gold on the Buddha. That's why people offer jewelry on the Buddha. That's why people offer ornaments on the Buddha. People are not offering ornaments on the Buddha because he's going to some party. He's going to some rave party. He has to look good. People are not offering ornaments on a Buddha because he's ugly and he needs makeup. You understand what I mean? People are offering it on the Buddha because you're offering precious items that you're attached to the Buddha to gain the very qualities he has. So does that mean if you're poor and you offer a piece of wood to the Buddha or some leaves and grass, it has no effect? It has the same effect as offering the gold. Because in this case, it's not the object alone, it is your motivation. If you offer gold to the Buddha with the intention to be filthy rich so you can get beautiful girls and a yacht and go party and have a great time, then it's the same as offering grass to the Buddha. If you offer grass visualizing its goal, that you may gain great compassion and be a healer and a beneficial person to sentient beings in the future, then it's the same as offering gold to the Buddha.